1:24 on June 1st, 2020. Weeks after I finally got it. Finally. Weeks after ordering it and getting it and staring at it and cats meowing at it, I'm finally going to unbox this lovely and kind of poorly packaged pipe bender. And I have everything that I need. A pocket knife and a set of safety scissors. That way I don't injure myself. Let's attempt to set this camera up in a nice way where everything can be seen. I'm hoping to upload this video unedited if I can. As difficult as it'll be. This is exactly how it came. I have not touched it yet. It came with this big tear in it. And for those of you who can read upside down, please open carefully. Returns will only be accepted in the original packaging, is what the box says. So, I don't know about using the original packaging to return it, but whatever. Anyway, here's what it looks like. Oh, opening it up. I miss the days of having a camera with a little screen that I could see myself in, so I didn't have to wander around so much. There it is. Got staples in it, of course. Maybe I'm supposed to open it from the other end for all I know. Yeah, it looks like it. I started opening it from the wrong end. What do I know about these sorts of things? I hate to cut this thing so much, but so much for loading this on unedited. Probably should talk about something at this point. Well, you need a pipe bender when you're building a railroad out of well pipe, because you see, going in a straight line has certain limitations, especially when you have as many hills as there are around here. And the pipe is actually very flexible, but a pipe bender is good for making sharp curves. It's a real comfort. Oh, that's just plain old pitiful. All that paint already chipped off of it. It's missing a lot of paint for having not been out of the box before. There go the instructions. Not that I need them. There's some more stuff inside the box, of course. Here are some of the dies and stuff. Here's a handle. Here's some more dies and stuff. I ain't never unboxed one of these things before, but as far as I can tell, everything is here. So, there it is. A lovely thing to bend my pipe with. Wrapped in very nice foam, which I can always appreciate nice foam. And that's about it. Which one of these looks like it fits in a 1.5 inch pipe? Not that. Looks like one of these. So eventually, one of these next few days, I'm going to have to see if it actually works. And start building a switch. Or just a curved piece of train track. Either one of those things. Hopefully I'll get around to that soon, but who knows, it's taking me this long just to unbox this thing. So that was another peaceful day. Let's see, instructions. What's on in this video? Instructions. 12-ton pipe bender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see inside this box. 2, 3. Yeah. Looks like everything's here. Costway. Or Costway. The UK office is in Ipswich. That's a Monty Python reference. That's about it. I've gone on enough for today, so not really enough for the day, but enough for this day's video. I gotta go on some more because I gotta get ahead on some of these videos. That way I can publish some very nice train rides that I've been holding back for a while. I gotta get like 3 days ahead to load it since it's gonna take 2 days to load. Thank you for watching this wonderfulness. Hopefully I'll show actually doing something with this one of these days. Oh, I didn't realize it. If I load this on Unedited, I am a few seconds away from being more than 10 minutes long. And if I make this video more than 10 minutes long, YouTube's algorithm will love me for it. And I like it when I get on the YouTube algorithm's good side. There have been quite a few videos that I've extended out to longer than 10 minutes just so the YouTube algorithm will love it. Like that one time that I ran beside 85 at the Transportation Museum, and at the end of it I just kind of talked, waiting for it to go past 10 minutes, like this video already has. Very nice.